Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is part 2 of today's plane spotting, and this is the last plane I've recorded today. If you want to know why, then buckle up and enjoy this video. And I'll explain why this is the last plane I've recorded, and it's the opening of the video. Jet from Ibiza. Wizz Air from Budapest. Why so sad? Here we have EasyJet flying back to London Gatwick. Jet 2 from Glasgow. Scandinavian Airlines from Oslo. So because I want to try this new spot, I'm going to record this one taking off, because I'm not sure it's going to work, but if it does, you'll get better shots next time I come. Unless I add this to the video and it's going to be extra long, but oh, it's another video? I don't know. What's gonna happen? Okay, this is not me, it's the light we have. Here you have Transavia from Rotterdam. Definitely to stay. Issues here, you get people, but yeah, well, you can see me. I'm the shadow. Okay, so EasyJet sorry, to EasyJet to London Gatwick. So do we see them take off? Not really. Okay, so for landing it's okay. Well, What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Huh. Ryanair from Wheeze. That looked harsh. Okay, we have the TUI from London flying back to London. Getting ready. And Aviation. I don't know, I'm gonna check. Okay, so according to the app, it should be Amsterdam, but according to where it was coming from the gate, it should be Brussels. Because remember, it was waiting for the Ryanair. No. Yes. Huh? Well, anyways, there was another plane on that gate, and it was waiting for it. Norwegian from Oslo. So I think this is a second video. Well, I don't even know that yet. And they've turned on the lights, so night videos in this spot are just awful. We shall see. It actually depends on how much I want to edit it. Because actually it seems that it's going to be very busy. You have this one. You have this one. And a few more to land. The thing I don't like about this spot is that pole just there. It's annoying. But yeah, it's not like we can do much with it. Unless it's messing up with the focus of the camera. I think it does mess with the camera. Anyway, this is Ryanair from Katowice. I can't believe I'm gonna have to Google it. Okay, 2 is getting ready. Okay, I'm gonna assume that one is flying to Brussels, but I'll let you know in the next shot. And I've moved slightly, so maybe this is a better spot than the one just before. Let's see. Let's go, girls. I said let's go. Good. take off. With that one is okay. It was Amsterdam. And this is Jet 2 from Leeds. So Lufthansa is moving. And Ryanair just arrived. So that one is Brussels, which ironically arrived first. Ryanair, I don't know where it's flying to. This is EasyJet from London Gatwick, TUI to London Gatwick. Ryanair flew to Stansted. We fly to London Gatwick, which we saw landing on a previous video. Sorry, I don't know if you like having one or two parts videos, but I was not expecting to do it, and it turned out like that. Huh? Life's like this, like they say, so go check it, watch it, because you have this one landing there. Yeah, the light is not very good anymore, so probably gonna go Lufthansa to Frankfurt. Lights on, mosquitoes off. I'm ready to take off. A319. now ready to take off. After this one I'm gonna go, well, after the Norwegian I'm gonna go because light is not improving and it's getting darker and darker, and there's no point. And I can hear the mosquitoes waking up. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today. This is Norwegian to Trondheim. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't watched my previous video about earlier in the afternoon, just check it on my channel, and it's gonna go on the end screen anyways. So like and subscribe as usual, and hope to see you soon in another video. Thanks guys for watching. Yeah. Bye.